In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Analytics report in Looker Studio. Let's get started by navigating to Looker Studio. Once you're there, use your Google account to sign in. This ensures you have access to all the necessary features and integrations for your project. Now, let's connect to your Google Analytics 4 account. Begin by clicking on Create in the top left corner of the interface. From the drop-down list, select Data Source. You'll see a variety of connectors at your disposal, but for this task, find and choose Google Analytics. If you're prompted, click Authorize to allow Looker Studio access to your Google Analytics account. This step is crucial as it ensures that Looker Studio can fetch the right data for your report. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate account, property, and view from the drop-down menus. Make sure you're picking the data source that has all the relevant information you wish to include in your report. Once that's done, click on Connect in the upper right corner of the window. This action links your Google Analytics data to Looker Studio. As you move to the Data Source Fields panel, you'll see various dimensions and metrics available for your use. Take a moment to review these options and ensure they align with the insights you wish to gather. When you're ready, click Add to Report to incorporate this data source into your report. At this stage, you've added the data source, and now the exciting part begins. Building your report. This is where you can start to visualize your data by adding different components. Let's walk through a few popular options. Scorecards are effective for showcasing key metrics like sessions, users, and conversions. They provide a quick snapshot of critical data points. For visualizing trends over time, consider using time series charts. These are great for spotting patterns and understanding changes in your data. Tables can be helpful if you need to display detailed data with capabilities for sorting and filtering, offering a more in-depth look at specific metrics. If your goal is to compare data across various dimensions, pie or bar charts are excellent choices. They make it easy to see how different aspects of your data stack up against each other. To populate these components, simply drag and drop the relevant dimensions and metrics, such as source, medium, or landing page for dimensions, and sessions, or bounce rate for metrics. Finally, don't overlook the importance of customization. Adjusting the colors, fonts, and layout of your report not only makes it more visually appealing, but can also help it align with your brand's identity or personal preferences. With Looker Studio's flexibility, you can create a report that is as functional as it is personalized. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google Analytics report in Looker Studio. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.